short little video is going to show you how to download Microsoft Office software to your computer if you don't have it already. As a student at Northwestern State University, you have access to free copies of these applications as a student here. So the first thing you would want to do is get online and go to the Northwestern State University homepage, and I have that here. Then as a faculty member, I just click here for my faculty email. You probably will go to here as student email. So I'm going to go to my email, which is Outlook 365. So here's the application. My email application is open, and it is Outlook 365. Okay. You will then go to this little sprocket here in the right hand side of the menu, and you click on it and go down to your app settings and go to Office 365. You click on that, okay, and you will get this, right? And now what you do is you go to Software, Install Software. So you click on that, and here you have the applications for Office that you will be using: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, which is your email, and then this is it's note-taking here, which is very useful as a student. You will mostly use Word in my class. You can also use PowerPoint to create your poster for your semester project. So once you get to this, you click Install, and it will ask you, where do you want this installed? You can install it on your desktop or your applications folder, wherever you want to do that. And then you click Save. Okay? And once you click Save, it's going to prompt you through the installation process. I'm not going to click Save because I already have Microsoft Office on my computer. Be aware that it's going to take a few minutes to download this software, so you need to be on a secure internet link that's not going to stop in the middle of all of it, and you need to probably be on one that is pretty fast. So it would probably be to your advantage to take your laptop here or your pad or whatever you're going to use to do assignments on and download it here. You can download it from your home. All you need to do is log on to your email account here at Northwestern and follow the directions I just gave.